Nekima Levy-Pounds is a professor at the University of St. Thomas School of Law and the founder and director of the Community Justice Project, an award-winning civil rights legal clinic that addresses the complex issues affecting the poor and working poor. Ms. Levy-Pounds also worked to establish Brotherhood, Inc., a partnership with the NAACP that works with African American youth and young men who have been or are at risk of being involved with the justice system. Brotherhood, Inc. provides comprehensive, culturally sensitive social services and educational opportunities, as well as on-site employment, and helps participants envision and achieve successful futures. In addition to her work with the CJP, Ms. Levy-Pounds is an active contributor to the field of civil rights and criminal justice, serving as a consultant to local civil rights organizations and community groups, and speaking in national and international forums. Her scholarly interests focus on African Americans and the law, the impact of the war on drugs on African American children and families, the treatment of women in prisons, and intersecting issues of race, class, and the criminal justice system. Because of her work with the Community Justice Project, Ms. Levy-Pounds was selected by Senator Al Franken to advise him in his decision to nominate Elena Kagan for the United States Supreme Court. Ms. Levy-Pounds was recently appointed as chairperson of the Minnesota State Advisory Committee to the U.S. Commission on Civil Rights. As a young leader, she envisions more grassroots collaborations between businesses, the philanthropic community, and government agencies to address social justice issues. She has been honored with the Breaking Barriers Award, the K. Pranis Restorative Practices Award, given by the Dispute Resolution Center of St. Paul, the Dean's Award for Outstanding Law Teacher of the Year in 2008, the Diversity Leadership in Teaching and Research Award, Law School Professor Award, UST Law Living the Mission Award, Excellence in Public Service, and the BLSA Award for Excellence in Community Service 2005. Nekima Levy-Pounds is an outstanding young Minnesotan working on multiple fronts to secure social justice in our communities.
That young Minnesotans have a huge role to play in addressing some of the current social justice issues that exist in the Twin Cities and across the state of Minnesota. I think one of the biggest challenges that young Minnesotans encounter is actually knowing and understanding that they have the power to affect change. There's a quote that comes to mind by a woman named Margaret Mead that says, "Never underestimate the power of a small group of citizens to change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has." And so once a young person understands that they have the power and the capacity to affect change, once they know it and they put hand to plow and decide to take action, then that's when change begins to happen in our society.